Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for special probability distribution. Let the random variable x be the volume of a pack of a brand A chocolate milk. X is normally distributed with mean mu ml and the variance 26 ml. Given we have the probability that x is less than 612, which is equals to the probability 0.0853. If a pack of brand A chocolate milk is taken randomly, find the value of mu. Based on the situation, we have x is normally with the mean mu and the variance we have the written in the standard deviation square. So where we have square root of 26 bracket square. Given the questions, we have x is less than 612 equals to 0.0853. So find the value of mu. So first what we have to do is to standardize the situation. So probability is that we have z less than 612 minus mu over square root of 26 equals to 0.0853. So based on the situation, refers to the diagram, let's say the value of z is over here. So based on the logic, z must be less than the value 612 minus mu over square root of 26. Makes sense. It is 0.0853. Do remember the z is negative value. Next, we have to flip the situation. So we have the z, which is greater than. Then only we can make use of the statistical table. We write the formula. So z greater than 612 minus mu over square root of 26 equals to 0.0853. Kindly refers to the statistical table, and we have the value of z, which is 1.37. So do remember, our original z is negative value. So meaning that the value of z must be a negative value. So kindly substitute 612 minus mu is equals to negative 1.37 multiplied with the square root of 26. So mu is equals to 612 and then plus 1.37 multiplied with the square root of 26. So the value of mu is equals to 618.99 ml. So kindly refers to B. We have the title, X is normally distributed, 618.99 is the mu, and we have the variance 26. B1, the volume of brand A chocolate milk is more than 615. Next, what we have to do is to standardize the situation. So probability is that Z is greater than 615 minus 618.99 over square root of 26. Continue. Probability is that z greater than negative 0.78. So kindly refers to the diagram. We have z is equals to negative 0.78. The region will be this part. So based on the table, we have to reflect the situation. And here we have the z 0.78. And here will be the region. Rewrite the formula. 1 minus probability is that z greater than 0.78. Kindly refers to the table. We have 1 minus 0.2177. So the probability is that x is greater than 615 is equals to 0.7823. Kindly refers to B2. The volume of a brand A chocolate milk from 600 to 610. So where we have the question 600, 610. First, standardize the situation. So where we have 600 minus 618.99 over the square root of 26. We have 610 minus 618.99 over the square root of 26. So the probability will be negative 3.72 until negative 1.76. Refers to the diagram, where we have negative 3.72, 1.76. We have the negative, so here will be the region. Reflect the situation. So here will be the z, 1.76, 3.72. So here will be the region. We write the formula. So probability is that z greater equals to 1.76 minus probability is that z greater equals to 3.72. Refers to the statistical table, where we have 0.0392 minus 0.0001. So the probability is that from the 600 to 610, the probability will be 0.0391. Next, given the probability of the volume brand A chocolate milk is not more than K, so probability is that X is not more than K. The answer is 0.00539. Same as usual, standardize the situation. So K minus 618.99 over the square root of 26. Next, refers to the diagram. Let's say the Z is over here, then less than the situation. So it makes sense, 0.00539 for this shaded region. Next is to reflect the situation. So here we have the Z. So we write the formula. So probability is that Z greater equals to K minus 618.99 over the square root of 26, 0.00539. But refers to the table where we have 2.55. If notice that the value of Z is 2.55, but the original question, Z actually is negative. So from here, we have the negative 2.55. So kindly substitute the situation. K minus 618.99 equals to negative 2.55 multiplied with the square root of 26. So K will be equals to 618.99 and then minus with 2.55 multiplied with the square root of 26. So K will be equals to the situation 605.99. If we round up, so K will be approximately 606. Continue. A rental car service center company has 5 cars. So where we have the 5 cars as an N available for rental each day. Assuming that each car is rented out of the whole day. The mean numbers of cars rent out each day is 2. So based on the situation, we notice that it is a Poisson distribution with the mean 2. So question, find the probabilities that the company cannot meet the demand for cars on any one day. So from here, we have the maximum 5 cars. The question said cannot meet the demand means that must be more. So question, probabilities that X greater than 5. So based on the situation, it is a discrete variable. So what we have to do is to modify. So X is greater equals to 6. Next, by referring to the statistical table for the table Poisson probability. X is greater than 6 for the mean 2. The answer is 0.0166. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.